Hello everyone, in this video we will see the concept of indexing. Indexing is used to read a particular character from a string. A string is a collection of characters and indexing is used to read a particular character from a string. So consider a string A which has the value hello world. In order to use indexing, you have to use a particular operator called as subscript operator, or in short form we can call as sub operator. Okay, so A sub, so sub is nothing but square bracket open and square bracket close. Okay, so this operator is called as subscript operator, or in general we can call as sub. And within this subscript operator you have to give a number which indicates the character we are going to read in a string. So here I am going to give 3. So before seeing the output, we will study how to index a string in Python. Okay, and this indexing mechanism doesn't work in strings alone. It can be used for any type of order collection like list, tuple and so on so. And this is the string we have considered, and the first character H has the index 0. Okay, and E is stored at index 1, L is stored at index 2 and O is stored at index 3, and this space is stored at index 4. Okay, so W is stored as index 5 and it goes on. So that is, the first character can be accessed with the index 0. Okay, and the last character can be accessed with the index n-1, where n is the total number of characters present in the string. So here you have to count this space also as a character. Okay, so space is also counted as a character in Python. Now coming back to the code, so we are printing A of 3. Okay, so that is, we are printing third index. Okay, so H is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this L is third index. So we are going to get this L as output. Okay, so this is indexing in Python. And similarly, you can also index from right to left. So now we have index from left to right. Okay, so we are starting from the first character and we are counting the index 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay, so now let us try to count from the last character. So in Python, the last character can be accessed as -1. Okay, and the second character from last can be accessed as -2, and third can be accessed as -3, and this goes on. Okay, and the first character can be accessed as -n, where n is the number of characters in a string. So like this only you have to index a string in Python. So either you can use forward indexing or you can use negative indexing. So both are same only. You can use either forward indexing or negative indexing. So now let us use negative indexing and see. So now let us print this particular character, that is R. Okay, so R is present at third character from the last. So in Python you have to use -3. So if you use -3, you will get the character R. Okay, so let's run this code and you can see the output is R. So this is how you index a string using forward indexing or reverse indexing.